PrimeMotorMax.
Welcome to PrimeMotorMax. Today, we're taking a focused look at the Bajaj Discover 125 2026, a commuter motorcycle designed for riders who prioritize mileage, comfort, and long-term reliability. The 2026 model continues the Discover legacy with subtle updates that matter in daily use. Design and updated colors. The Bajaj Discover 125 2026 retains its clean and practical commuter design while receiving refreshed graphics and new color schemes. The fuel tank decals look sharper, and the overall finish feels more modern. These updates give the bike a fresher appearance without losing its simple, no-nonsense identity. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Discover 125 is a 125 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth and efficient performance. The engine delivers usable low and mid-range torque, making it ideal for city traffic and daily commuting. Throttle response is predictable, and the bike feels easy to ride even for new riders. Mileage and fuel efficiency. Mileage has always been a strong point of the Discover lineup, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. The Discover 125 is engineered to deliver excellent fuel efficiency, helping riders keep running costs low. This makes it a practical choice for students, office commuters, and anyone riding daily. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is one of the key highlights of the Discover 125. The upright riding posture, wide and cushioned seat, and well-tuned suspension setup provide a relaxed riding experience. Whether it's uneven city roads or longer daily routes, the bike remains stable and comfortable throughout the ride. Features and safety. The 2026 Discover 125 focuses on essential, real-world features. It comes with a clear and easy-to-read instrument cluster, reliable braking options, and well-balanced ergonomics. Disc brake variants offer improved stopping confidence, especially in sudden braking situations. Bajaj's wide service network and affordable spare parts add to the Discover 125's appeal. Maintenance costs remain low, and the bike is known for its durability, making it a dependable long-term ownership option. Final verdict. The Bajaj Discover 125 2026 is a sensible commuter motorcycle that delivers where it matters most: mileage, comfort, and reliability. With refreshed colors, proven performance, and low running costs, it continues to be a strong choice for everyday riders who want practicality over flash.